One of the fundamental misconceptions about our products are that it's just a pretty box. We are far more than that. A charge point is a mission critical item in your life. It's used every day to power your vehicle to go about your life. The first point about our products is reliability. Right down to the way we build our enclosures, how waterproof they are, the quality of the electronics is all designed to make sure it works day in, day out. And a charge point should last. It should be something that you dispose of in 2 years' time. We want our products to grow with our customers, and when new technology comes along, our boxes are upgradable. Making it out of metal, one thing, it looks great and the finish is really good, but you've got that great longevity. On the A2 we have sheet metal work for a lot of the core and the wall bracket, and most importantly for the side curves. We use stainless steel, it doesn't rust, it's very strong, it doesn't flex. And then when it's painted, it's got a beautiful finish to it. We chose nylon coating because it's very robust, it's non-toxic and comes from renewable materials. Our electronics and PCBs are all designed in-house. Our manufacturing is done in the UK. There's a real reason for that. It's not the cheapest, but I can guarantee the supply chain that all the parts that we specify are the correct parts to those correct quality standards. Our circuit boards are manufactured by our supplier in the UK, and that supplier uses a pick and place robot to put all the surface mount components, which are the very tiny components, on the board. It looks like a mini world. Thousands of tracks. These are multi-layered board with a lot of complexity, and it feels like a mini city. It looks like something out of Tron. Cable is a very unloved utilitarian item. We had to find a cable that would be able to flex around the corners in the cable slot in the A2 without being damaged over an extended period of time. And if we don't unwind it completely, the cables are stacked on top of each other. That generates heat in a charge, so the cable needs to be able to sustain that heat. We looked around for cables from suppliers all over the world and couldn't find anything that would meet the specification. So we went back to the drawing board again with a supplier in the UK and designed our own cable in-house. It's easy to use. It makes winding into the box very straightforward. It's all about user experience, and we worry ourselves internally about making sure it delivers on its safety, regulatory and longevity standards. Connect is a living piece of software being constantly developed by our team. The electronics and the software is an ecosystem. When we upgrade Connect, you're getting more from your hardware too. The Andersen way is about doing things properly. That's from product design to dealing with customers to doing an install correctly. To do it properly, make the customer feel delighted. So it's not just a pretty box, it's got real depth behind it, and everything inside that box I believe is the best quality it can be.